Hi guys, it's Tiasha. Welcome to my channel World of Passion. In today's video, I will be making a DIY decoupage wall decor for home entrance. So, without any delay, let's start the video. At first, you need wooden plank. You can also use thick cardboard or MDF board. Then apply a coat of gesso to make the surface ready to paint. Then you need Fevicol or some adhesive glue to stick the wooden plank. Then I go with decoupage napkin. Next I am making out the portion of the napkin that I required with the help of a wet brush. And then I am gently tearing the napkin. Remember one thing, don't use scissors for the cutting the napkins. Among the three layers, the top layer is the printed layer. So I will keep only the top layer and discard the remaining. Next, I stick the napkin on the wooden plank with the help of Decomagic decoupage glue. Decomagic glue is an ideal decoupage glue. You can also use it on both the decoupage paper and decoupage napkin paper. Now I am using a plastic sheet to remove the wrinkles. Then I painted the plank with light green color. Marched the napkin with the background because it does not look like anything extra page has been pasted. Remove the edges with the help of sandpaper, or you can also use scissors. Apply another layer of Decomagic glue. Then I traced a text with the help of yellow carbon paper. Then I go with black acrylic color and color the text. Now I also adding more details with dot art tools and white pearl color. Then apply a coat of varnish to make your art piece waterproof and long lasting. Lastly, add few more details with 3D cone liner for realistic look. That's it. The art piece is ready. And the final look is Hope you guys enjoying the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.